Hello, it's Pup's Life. You are watching Top 5 Best Dog Squeaky Toys. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. EASTBLUE Squeaky Dog Toys. This squeaky dog toy helps to satisfy dogs' instinctual needs and release extra energy. Squeaks attract the dog's attention, and irregular jumps and rolls add to the fun, allowing the dog to release excess energy. This toy is made of environmentally friendly, non-toxic natural rubber, which strictly controls the safety of raw materials. Keep the dog happy and safe. Number 4. Sugelary Squeaky Dog Toys. The squeaky dog toy can effectively catch dog interest in engaging games of fetch. You can interact with your dog through the squeaker, which is perfect for bonding and relationship building with your dog. High-quality natural rubber, pineapple puppy toys can ensure your puppy's entertainment and safety during the game. Made of non-toxic food-grade rubber. Number 3. WinTour Squeaky Dog Toy. This dog squeak toy is designed with a built-in squeaker that creates fun sounds during chewing. The sound can attract the dog's attention, make the pet's play more exciting, and satisfy your fur friends' instinctual need of chewing. Number 2. PWEITUOET 9 inches Squeaky Dog Toys. Rubber squeaky dog toys, built-in loud squeaker to attract dog attention, keep them busy, and reduce boredom. A good choice for fetch game, in indoor or outdoor. Made of natural rubber, pet-friendly. Squeaky dog toys are soft, safe and durable. A very nice gift for puppy teething. Number 1. HDSX Squeaky Dog Toys. Your dog will run around with them in his mouth. Squeaking keeps them entertained and busy. Made of rubber, latex, soft, flexible, durable, very suitable for puppy and small dogs. Super cute piggy, 6 different colors, easy to squeak, suitable for carrying, without stuffing.